Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across my video. It's your girl, Edith Williams and family. You're welcome again to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you very much. God bless you. Today I'm going to be making beans and I'm going to be showing you quickly my recipe. Okay, let's go there. Here are the beans. It's about 600 grams or thereabout. Vegetable oil, scotch bonnet pepper and onions, some crayfish, tomatoes paste, 1 seasoning cube, Maggi crayfish. I'm going to be frying this mackerel fish as well. And lastly, some salt to taste. My beans is in the pot. Now I'm going to be covering it to boil for some time. After which I'm going to drain the water. I'm going to remove this water because of the color. Then I'll add a fresh water. My beans is still on fire. Let's take a look. Wow, it's soft already. But there's still a lot of water. I'm going to wait for the water to dry up a little bit. While waiting, I'm going to fry now my plantain because I'm going to be eating it with plantain. So after frying my plantain, I'm going to use the oil to cook the beans. After frying my plantain, I'm going to fry the fish. Then I'm going to